Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the locking tool. Cursor Lock is simple and reliable. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator and launch the program. This grants the low-level access needed to constrain the pointer. Make sure your target program is closed while you set parameters, because Cursor Lock wraps the executable. Once done, keep the utility running in the background so it can intercept mouse movement when you later start the application. You now configure the actual lock. Choose Create Shortcut or Wrap and point to the target executable. This makes the program launch inside the cursor constraint. Next, select the lock region, pick Current Monitor to confine the pointer to one screen, or draw a custom rectangle when you need precise edges. Make sure to enable a hotkey or Auto Start profile so you can toggle or remember settings. Once configured, save the profile with a clear name. You finish by launching the Wrap shortcut and testing the lock. Move quickly toward the monitor edge and confirm the cursor stops at the boundary. If you notice occasional leaks when dragging windows or using Alt-Tab, adjust edge sensitivity or change capture mode from soft to hard. If problems persist, run both the target app and Cursor Lock as administrator, update GPU drivers, and try an alternative utility like dual monitor tools. That single troubleshooting step usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.